So, 1, 2. So this is the first time ever using this right here, Movatek 3-in-1 hair cutting kit, basically, you know what I mean? So we're gonna check it out and see what it's giving, you know what I mean? Ooh. It looks just like it looks on the box. It's nice, right? Nice. And this time, first time me turning them on, and so they're working. So they come charged, right? So look at that. All right, cool. So you got this one right here, and you got this one right here. This is your, whatever, all that. And it comes like with the thing right here, so you can't it won't just start on its own. Let me take this off. Now, mind you, that took a minute to get off, but anyway, it came operational at 80%. That's dope, right? Because you don't have to charge it as soon as you get it. Get your little book right here, all that. It's comb, you know what I'm saying? I like that. And you got these ones right here. You got your charging wires. They don't give you a plug like most of these things don't give you a plug, so you have to buy a plug portion or whatever. That sucks. I think that's the worst thing about this product is that. Other than that, it's decent. So, charged up to 97%. So that's dope. You know what I mean? The quality looks good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, see my beard now looking a little crazy, a little nuts. So I let it grow because I knew I had this being ordered on the way, and I wanted, you know what I mean? I cut my hair all the time, but my other clippers are, bought from like beauty salons and all that good stuff. So this was bought online. So if once I cut my hair, I'm pretty sure we'll see how it's doing, what it's giving. But but anyhow, if you're looking to purchase this, go ahead and click the link below. But yeah, let's get back. Let me cut my hair and I'll show you the after. This is the before, as you can see. This is so what it looked like before, and we'll see what we look like after. Let's get busy. So yeah, I started cutting it, whatever. So see how it looks. So we started at 80%, down to 79% now. It's a little closer than I expected to cut, but it's pretty cool though. So, yeah. Yeah, it feels decent. It's not crazy, it doesn't hurt or anything like that. It's just a lot closer than I'm usually feeling when I cut my hair before. But man, in today's economy, the way prices is nowadays, learning to cut your hair as a man is definitely a good talent. Definitely. Like every man should be able to cut their own, at least shave themselves, you know what I mean? Not cut their own hair, but at least shave it, and shaving their face. Do sort of shape up and all that good stuff, instead of spending half a way to the barbershop to get a shave. That's crazy. Crazy talk. Diabolical to your checking account. Diabolical to your checking account. But this feels good though. Feels good. Cut my beard down a lot, you know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna get to shaping it up. But first we're gonna cut the over here, right? Up this way, up here, my hair here. See how that feels. So I'm gonna cut it up, bring it up a little bit, you know. You know, the guard's a little harsh. I'm not cutting like I want to. Let's see if I bring it down a little bit. Okay. Okay, now we're getting the cut. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's a little better, that's a little better. Okay. Now I'm good. Now we're cutting. Yeah, now we're cutting. Cause I cut down to 1.5 on my hair. Now obviously there's other ones in here, right? Depending on what you want to do. Cut the haircut you want to give yourself. If you don't cut your own hair, that's cool too. I cut my own hair. What a barber can do for me, I can do for myself. Same cost. Not really. Way cheaper actually. Way cheaper actually. So now that we finished cutting the hair all around, you know, I give myself a good feel around. Make sure everything feels even. I've been doing this long enough, so. But if you just started, I would advise you to like touch every spot on your face, on your head. Make sure that whatever you did, whatever you cut, it feels even, because you kind of like feel globs of hair. And if you feel globs of hair, then you need to go back to this part and cut your hair down even. But anyhow, we're gonna get busy with the shape up. You know what I'm saying? Cut here to the jawline. You know what I mean? A little bit here, all the way up. And around it, we define this portion right here, then across like that, you know what I mean? So let's get busy. I like the way these feel. These feel real good. I like these. And they're real sharp at the same time. And if you're interested in buying these joints, the link will be down below, whichever way you're watching this at. You know what I mean? Or you can go to my website, wealthbuilders.com, and check out the health area on wealthbuilders.com. There'll be a link in this, there for this, and among other things. Well, these are nice. I like these for real, though. I like these, man. I like these. These are solid. This is solid too. Like, it gave me a really good cut. It's just a little sharp. But once you get used to them, like you get used to how they feel in your head, then they good to go. They're good money. But these right here, this is the money shot right here. Pause. And it feels good. It feels good in your skin. Yeah, I like these. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So good. And clean, sharp. But they don't hurt. That's the key. They don't hurt. They don't hurt against your skin. Some blades like this, like the shaper upper, as you would call it, they hurt against your skin. But these right here, these are nice and soft, comfortable. Shit. These by themselves is worth every penny. And they're easy to handle. You know what I mean? Like, they're easy to like maneuver with and do all the things, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna bore y'all with the rest of this haircut, but we're gonna show you the results in a few minutes. Well, a few seconds. You know what I'm saying? Like, so check it out. Check out the results after I finish. Also, almost forgot about this right here. So this is after cut. Get those ingrown hairs, you know what I mean? Yeah. Finishing touches, you know what I mean? That really do it. It's the finishing touches and stuff that really do it. So as you can see, clean. Like, way clean, right? And it, like the shaper right here, this joint, it's nice. It's nice right here. This right here, right here, worth the whole, whatever you spend for this, like for real. This right here does it, I'm telling you. Go get you one. Link in the description. You heard it first here, Wealthbuilderz, right here. It's for you. Check it out.